Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today, as I promised you earlier on the previous video, I'll show you how to make saffron mixture to put on top of your rice, the Arabic rice. So here is the video, and first of all, you'll need sugar, you'll need your saffron, you'll need a bowl and some, how is this called? I don't know, I will attach. Just put a pinch or just 2 pinch. I just put 2 pinch here, and I'll add sugar. This makes it easier to crush the saffron. Yeah, just that amount of sugar is enough. And if you are making a small rice, just use a pinch of saffron and a pinch of sugar. Yes guys, I crushed everything. It's supposed to look like that when it's all crushed. Make sure you buy the good quality saffron. So now here I'm adding hot water, 2 tablespoons of hot water. Okay, I'm from Africa, we measure by eyes. Yes, and just mix until all this dissolved. And make sure you're not using a board that is a whiteboard, or you're not placing it on something that is white, because this mixture stains. It stains and it's really difficult to wash, even if you're wearing white clothes or any bright colored cloth. Be careful because it stains. So I'll just this is how you make saffron mixture, guys. Yes, just make sure that you stir until the oil is dissolved. That's saffron mixture for you guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next cooking video. I hope you liked my rice